Kejia Furnace Showroom Product Display. Atmosphere Furnace. Multiple gas channels are available. The furnace size can be customized according to your needs, pre-vacuum can be applied, and the temperature can be configured as needed between 300 and 1700. Muffle Furnace. The structure is simple, the operation is convenient, it can handle large processing sizes, the price is moderate, and it can adapt to more processes. Tube Furnace. More suitable for powder particle materials, can be produced continuously, has cleaner and pollution-free heat treatment, can pass through the atmosphere and can be evacuated. Vacuum Furnace. Suitable for atmosphere protection, sintering, brazing, annealing, heat treatment, etc. Under high vacuum, adaptable to various processes, high vacuum degree, and can pass multiple gases. CVD or PECVD. Graphene growth, silicon carbide, silicon dioxide, carbon nanotubes, hard films and other low temperature or high temperature deposition coating growth. PID automatic control, can accurately control the furnace temperature. Other customized furnace types: temperature, length of furnace tube diameter, furnace size, furnace material, heating element, rotation, door opening method, lifting, trolley, feeding and discharging method, gas path, vacuum, etc. can all be configured according to needs.